Not bad.
Feel good.
That's a little extra. That's from that first pass being a little rough.
Yeah.
Alright, so 1.367 inches is what it come out to. So let's see where we're at. 1.46. We got a little 100.
How far we need to go?
Huh?
How far we need to go?
0.1.
0.1.
Not a lot. About an eighth of an inch. That's what we gotta lose. Lose a little more than that yet. About twice that much. That's about 16.
You just look at it. So pretty.
Just undersized, which is good.
Yep.
Thousands, not anything extravagant.
Now turn it around and do it again. One more time. Right there. Nope. Right there. Be fine.
Dang, she got tight.
Mm.
Yeah.
Must be nice.
There we go.
Hammer time.
Yeah. Good.
When you gonna weld that up?
Probably tonight.
Right now.
Right.
You gonna do it here or at your house?
I'll leave it over on the welding table.
There you go. So you gotta take all that off over here, right? Except for the splines.
No.
Oh yeah, you got that marker, don't you?
Right. I'm just gonna machine it up. There's a mark right here.
Yeah.
It's about a 1/4 of an inch, 2.5. So 1/4 of an inch back from the face, and that's where that other shaft will stab up to.
Right.
Alright. Here we go.
Hold it.
Flipping. Flip it over the other way and then cut. Turn it reverse.
There you go.
Since I don't have any right-hand mooring bars,
Yep.
I'll guess left-handed mooring bars.
You gotta make do with what you got, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
All the time.
Yeah. Don't have this, so you do it like that.
Yep.
Can't see where the shit, but you won't have to. Look at the stock.
Yep. If it's cutting too deep, back her off.
I'm just gonna turn it backwards.
There you go.
Upside down and backwards. It's all good.
You can go whichever way you want to, I guess. Won't matter.
Hey, just because you go which way.
She gonna be close?
Yeah, I really need to raise this up.
Yeah. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah, good luck. I got a pair of channel locks. They ain't the biggest in the world, but they get the job done. Wrong way.
Oh, good.
Got it.
Yahtzee.
Nailed it.
It's good.
Good.
It's good. Alright. Much better.
Mucho gracias.
Mucho grabas.
Grabas. Sorry.
Mucho grabas. I'll go ahead and flip that face.
Man, it's always scary. Make sure it's going the right way.
Yeah. That's it. Got popped off there.
No bueno. No bueno. Not good.
Well,
Redo. Redo.
damn.
How you gonna fix that one? Because that's supposed to tighten it up, right?
That's why I didn't like this thing.
Any way you could turn it, the whole thing this way? No, that wouldn't work either, would it?
I mean, this will tighten it up, but I just don't know. I don't know if I would trust it or not, to be honest.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
You can try it. I mean, it's jammed it, so it's not going to just slide up out of there. We'll try it.
Hey.
Worst it's going to do is just pop it up. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not like it's...
Lethal.
Yeah. Safety third.
Yeah. What's second?
I don't know. Never made that far. Alright.
Went straight from 3 to, well, hell, I don't even know which one it is. Hell, I can only count 10.
Right.
Man. Shiny. Woo. Burn your fingertips off right there.
Huh?
Burn your fingertips off right there. You're a little warm.
It's a little warm. Burning flesh. Wasn't that bad.
Crank, 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 crank.
You just gotta hold the other end.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, this should. Jackson!
Look at it. Just
Yeah, there's, man, that sucker is warm now.
look at it.
Just looking at it.
Perfectly slid in there.
Yep. So that gets a weld, but I'm gonna just bevel grind the edges of it or something. Or I could just pull it out a little bit and weld it that way.
Yep. Best way to go right there.
Give it about 1/8 of an inch of a gap and then fill it in with weld. And that will be our completed piece. Man, it's just right.
That's right. Well, look who did it. I mean, hell. Start burning the sweatshirt off.
Yeah, that'll work.
All right.
All right, over to the welding table.
Over to the welding table.
All right, we got this rigged up in the vise here. We're going to go ahead and give it a spin here. Once that's all the way up against it, no floppage, which is good. Means whenever it's going really fast and doing some fun stuff, we'll be set. All right, time for some welding. Hey, I wonder if the camera will see through the lens.
Ooh, we're trying that.
Not great. A lot of weld, but
Yeah, that's what a grinder's made for.
right. That thing was hot. Not bad.
Seems it'll work.
Mm-hmm.